Yeah. Still on the scene, nigga, 2013. All about my green. Road on you niggas, Duke the Don, shut it down gritty. I'm running this shit in my motherfucking city. Coming to a sideshow near you. I just decided to show you some sneak peeks and previews of the best. Hot as the guns that won the West. You niggas claiming you the shit in the tube, so they sent me to put you to the test. Now what's next? Niggas, your ass is getting stressed. Lined them up, gave them a couple bars, killed the whole goddamn contest. Now they back to handing out more flies. Why this little nigga here just sitting back, getting a little bit more fly ahead of my time. Prime when I'm pushing on to use a pen and a paper to make sure that I got a soft, comfortable cushion. So while you doing all that exaggerating, running off at the mouth, don't be mad because you ain't got no real lyrical content coming out. I'll steal your fans and had them all screaming and shout. Talking about Duke the Don, hurry up and come on back out. Rock the crowd with some of that real shit that come out of your mouth. We don't want to hear none of that fake shit these weak niggas keep putting out. Got our kids out here dressing all up in drags, hugging on one another, kissing each other, shit, just like facts. Fuck that shit. We bringing 1 Corinthians or the good book back, and if they don't want to roll with the Lord, may it get swallowed up in the cracks. I'm getting off my competition niggas just like that, and if I allow you to compete, you roll on me and try to kill all my stats. My rhymes stay fully automatic loaded, so when I blow you out of the water, they call me the Godfather. When they see you exploding, I'm a real G, and you just sporting the fucking logo. I'm a fish and original. I never set off for a low blow.